Mayam Titanic, I na cinema in Libra, Hollywood beautiful film, yam heart touching over cinema. Aduda I based over Magi real story, I a very short story. There was a farmer, Maming Clark Obama, Hampshire, England, LEIRI Clark, Mr. Clark. He's a farmer. He was a farmer. He had 5 children. And his wife, 7 of them were there in the family. Titanic Sea, Southampton, USA, voyage, undertake he wanted to travel in the first trip, voyage. So he said all his earning. Mana farmer and a farming nil lago pesame low in a tuition at Hamaga ticket pay, seven of them. Tickets non-refundable. Satragadi refundable. So all his earning, saving all gone. Ticket ko re ma sakne yam harao yam numai. As if I na harao kasam khulem sakne haraga yam harao dumai. He was so happy. Yam numai raga. Just 7 days before. Our first voyage, there was the 1912, 10th of April, first voyage, 1912, 10th of April, first voyage, 7 days before, just 7 days before that, then he was taken to the doctor, physician, doctor, he needs to be quarantined for 1 month. How quarantine quarantine him for 1 month. Otherwise, he was broken. Clark said, all his having gone, his only dream to travel to be part of the first voyage of the Titanic from Southampton to USA. And that money is not refundable, tickets are refundable or his wife told him, now you go, I'll stay back with my son. However, you can proceed. I cannot leave you like that. I tell her, but on 10th of April, see, boys, Titanic, a cruise, he couldn't stop his tears. He was crying like anything. Because my dreams are prayer, set up no dream. After 5 days, on 15th of April, as he was going through the newspaper, Titanic sink the iceberg as I hit the run when a look there. Look there, he was looking for the dog. He was so happy now because of the dog bite. My whole family was safe. So everything is God's plan. Ishora, Ekoi Apavaka Tangani, Ekoi Awata, and Wanimai, this in any So there is a lesson for young people. You should remember, Asari Yamanda, I Marupna, Edison, serious and let us not be very serious in life. Let us. I did Kapaso, Sido Lera, no also Sido Lera. No over Sibra, Kapo, Sido, President, and I think I put a Lari power, the Bible is your money, guitar, or say, a biggie, a quick Quran, is your money, religious books, your money. Kalihaibu is source. No, me, no, I mean, no other me, Manati, Shona, intending in a Supala Saur, me, Manati, Shona, in so it's all from Larry, I don't know what mind is using in eyes. Yes. Prabhu Jisuna, why did he sacrifice? Why did he sacrifice? Kari Omani Musibagi Kana Musibano Prazam Siman. So can I sacrifice for my people? No, young people, when I Parakana, will you be able to sacrifice for your fellow man? There is a big question. I have Hagima Taudeva. You Lari Ahitawami Singh said, they are not worried. Like you are playing a leva. Adu Queen of Payamans, like you and MABA, Adu, PAC, Loino Holore. Lari Hirakana, Hydri Moyam, Hirakan and Moya, Kadi White. Kadi White dance. You are educated. According to light Malidi, meaningful life to we are preparing you to live a meaningful life and also to let others live a meaningful life. We were preparing you by educating. But after coming back, after education, you are so worried. All the time you are so worried. Karigi, Thabak Pangawaroidra, Yum Leroidra, Garim Maiva. Otherwise, why should we educate you? Just father was mentioning about a school, good schools. Why should we provide good schools and good colleges? No, we Kabaluraga Halaga no Pakakwa, Kiva, the education of the art Karino. So, education, I was city, Tabak Yum Hazaba. We want you to contribute to your society in any manner, whatever manner you can. Otherwise, we have to prepare to let other Mother Tirisagi Wari missionaries of charities, how she started. Yugoslavia, India is a great country, I must go and visit great country, India. She came, Yugoslavia, very short, not beautiful, not very rich, not very wealthy. India, city of joy, Kolkata, Masa Masuni and Sindrava, all elderly people, they were crying, Angang amot pa kamu mama pali tabana naladat lagpo amot pa kullu sale. No, how can you say India is a great country? I must serve these people. How can I serve? If you want to serve, there are thousand ways of helping people. But are you willing to serve? Are you willing to sacrifice for your people? Ado Prabhu Jisuna ma prazamaya sumshibida mata ma sacrifice. So you all have to, if you are Catholic, then you have to be ready to sacrifice for your people, for your country, for your state, for your village. For people who are helpless, widows, sahiyamama, orphans, layamama. In a day, what service I can provide for people who are needy? Otherwise, they are going needy, the holiest temple is our body. What is this? Anybody? Water. One says it's water. Yeah. Juice. Which juice? Juice. Okay. Coke. Then any other? Tea. Yes. Wine. Yes. No, I have a there is not red tea, there is not cold drink, there is not wine. A simple water in a color. So this is appearance. Reality the appearance. Truth is God. Reality is the God. Body is the truth. But appearance is very deceptive. It's not the truth. Prabhu Jisuna we should look for the reality, the truth. Truth is serve, sacrifice, help, care, be a source of joy. Why not that? But do we practice it? For them, everything. In a day, words can make people cry. Words can make people laugh. Words can make people rich. Words can make people poor. I control I can change. I can be a catalyst for positive change. I can progress. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 5 days ꯒꯦꯗꯔꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤ 24 ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ youthful ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ energetic ꯑꯣꯏꯕ stage in the life of a man. 24 years ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ youthful ꯑꯣꯏꯕ, full of energy, full of intelligence, full of ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯦ. ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 14 ꯁꯨꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ conference ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ what result we gain after the conference tawra matum kari kari lege, how many young people we have produced so far who can serve, who can live for our people.